Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and in today's video, well, our very own Dane Hennon proposed a question, and I thought we might as well help him. Dane, what's the question?
Oh, thanks, Levi. I have this daily driver, right? This van, when I'm not rolling around in the Jag. Jag's nice, but the van is a little rough. So I wanted to see what we could do that would make it look a lot nicer, but minimal effort. Minimal effort is kind of my thing.
Well, I think I have the answer for you, but do we need to wash this first?
Oh no, I already handled that part.
Are you sure about that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, let's get started.
Cool.
All right, Dane, I got the answer for you. Uno Advanced.
Oh.
Now, you've used Uno Protect, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Similar, kind of same, but different.
Okay.
So, Uno Protect had a wax and a sealant. This is like a sealant and a ceramic.
So it's like supercharged Protect.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Now, it says on the bottle to only use like the ultra fine pad or the yellow coarse or the yellow fine wool.
Yeah, those are the safe ones.
Right?
That's how you finish. That's the whole thing.
The way I've been doing it at the MOSHQ, and I've been doing this for almost a year. I've been beta testing the product.
Okay.
I like using the blue coarse wool.
What, these guys?
Yeah.
But they're coarse.
I know, but what it does is it actually corrects a lot more and it provides an even better finish. So you get more correction and more gloss and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna show you because you're gonna do it.
Oh, I'm gonna do it?
Yeah, that's right. Let's get started.
Okay.
All right, Dane, so pretty simple to do. We basically applied the product to the pad.
Okay.
We've then made sure we've rubbed it into the wool as well as we can. Key thing to remember, shake the product. This product has to keep being shaken throughout the time we're using it. So while it's sitting, we want to make sure we close the top or put our finger over it and shake it up every time we have to add more.
So not like one time and then you use it the whole time. You need to do it literally every time you start. You want to make sure it's ready to go.
The key is you want to make sure all the chemicals have mixed properly. Okay. That way you're always putting the right product on and things aren't separating, right?
Makes sense.
So, using just I think we're on a 4. We're just putting the pad on. Now, using no pressure and a simple up and down crosshatch motion, I did one up and down, a second side to side, and then a final third up and down. Okay. That was it. Now, technically, we would leave the product on the surface for 15 minutes. In this instance, I want you to just wipe it, just so you can see the difference in the correction that we're getting.
All right.
How does that feel? How's that wipe off?
The wipe off was less grabby than I thought it would be. It's actually pretty decent.
It is really slick, and that's one of the nice things about this product. Now, if you notice, there was a big chunky mark there. Yeah. That came out no problem. We've got a definite difference between the polished side and the not polished side. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you go around the vehicle, just doing that. Just applying it, put it on, leave it, because remember, we wanna let it sit for 15 minutes before we wipe it off. That's gonna allow the product to set up, do its cross-linking and all that kind of stuff that it needs to do. Then we'll come back over and we'll wipe it off. I guarantee you, Dane, that wipe off will be just as easy 15 minutes from now as it did just now, putting the product on and taking it off.
Seriously.
So, here you go, here's the machine. It's got a lot of product on it, but we'll add a little more.
That was a cute star.
You like that? A little loose. I'll let you get started, sir.
Alrighty.
Just keep the pad flat. All right, Dane, so what'd you think?
Honestly, it impressed me. I gotta be real with you. I'm super surprised at how these areas under the window came out. I thought those were toast.
Yeah, not bad, right? It really did provide a lot of defect removal, but also some light oxidation removal, and then it provided a really good gloss.
All those little chicken scratches are gone.
Yeah, but we haven't done this door yet.
No, we haven't done that yet.
The rest of the car that we have polished and done looks really good, and I'm really impressed. But you were saying you wanted to do a little 50-50 for your own, right?
I mean, for me, for you, we all like 50-50, so we can kind of show them side by side, give you a real idea of like what you can realistically expect. Because this thing's rough, but this made it look, I don't know, what percentage better would you say?
I think it's probably 50 to 75% better.
No, that's fair. And I like the fact that I didn't have to do a lot of work, but it looks like I did a lot of work.
That's right.
That's pretty good for old Dane here.
Well, and for those wondering, you can wipe this with alcohol. It's not gonna change the way it looks. It is gonna affect the coating itself and the performance of the protection, but your actual job, your work, isn't gonna be affected, which I really, really like about that, and Rupes really knocked it out of the park with this. So, as always, guys, you can pick up Uno Advanced right here at the Rag Company. And as always, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Dane, I want to watch you do this 50-50.
All right, let's get to it.